It's now time for Trivia Tracks with yours truly, Price Robertson. This edition of Trivia Tracks is brought to you by Washita Valley Respiratory Care and Beth Smith at Edward Jones, one of the greatest criminal defense attorneys who ever lived. F. Lee Bailey came to nationwide attention for his involvement in the second murder trial of Sam Sheppard, the Ohio doctor accused of murdering his wife. Born in Waltham, Massachusetts on June 10, 1933, Francis Lee Bailey Jr., the son of an advertising salesman and teacher who later divorced, studied at Harvard, but dropped out in 1952 to serve in the Navy and later the Marines. He briefly returned to Harvard before being admitted to Boston University's School of Law in 1957. While attending Boston University, he achieved the highest grade point average in the school's history. He graduated with an LLB in 1960 and was ranked first in his class. The Sam Sheppard case was believed to have inspired the 1960s TV series The Fugitive. In the 1960s, Bailey, at the time a resident of Rocky River, Ohio, was hired by Sheppard's brother Stephen to help in Sheppard's appeal. In 1966, Bailey successfully argued before the Supreme Court that Sheppard had been denied due process, winning a retrial. A not guilty verdict followed. This case established Bailey's reputation as a skilled defense attorney. He later served as the attorney in a number of other high-profile cases, such as Albert DeSalvo, the so-called Boston Strangler, heiress Patty Hearst trial for bank robberies committed during her involvement with the Symbionese Liberation Army, and U.S. Army Captain Ernest Medina for the My Lai massacre. He was a member of the so-called Dream Team in the O.J. Simpson trial, when Simpson was accused of murdering his wife, Nicole Brown Simpson, and friend Ron Goldman. For most of his career, he was licensed in Florida and in Massachusetts, where he was disbarred in 2001 and 2003, respectively, for misconduct while defending marijuana dealer Claude Louis DeBach. Following his disbarment, he moved to Maine, where he ran a consulting firm. He later sat for the bar exam in the state of Maine, though in 2013, he was denied a law license by the Maine Board of Bar Examiners, a decision upheld by the Maine Supreme Judicial Court in 2014. F. Lee Bailey, who married 4 times, moved to Georgia towards the end of his life. After a period of ill health, he died under hospice care in Atlanta on June 3, 2021, a week before his 88th birthday. Till next time, I'm Price Robertson. Amazed by today's trivia? Then join me every Monday through Friday morning for Trivia Tracks on Fox Sports Camden 97.1.